we had 5 tablespoons of oatmeal, the old-fashioned oatmeal, and we're going to pour water on it. Okay. Why do I do this? Like put water on the oatmeal without boiling it first? Kasi ang ginagawa ko is binababad ko muna yung oatmeal para hindi siya matigas. Mag-sponge siya. Okay? So let's wait until or let's wait for a bit like 2 minutes. So habang hinihintay natin na mag-expand yung oatmeal ko at tumabak na konti doon sa pan, meron tayong 2 blocks of dark chocolate. There you go. Sa microwave mo. What we're going to do with this is put it in the microwave to melt it a little bit para madali siyang matunaw. Okay. So, ito na siya. Lagay natin siya sa microwave oven. And use this. And we set it for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Set it up. Let it stop. So now, tayo sa oatmeal ko while yung microwave is going on. So let's turn this on. Medyo nadawala ka. Yan. Okay na yan. Let's turn it on and mix. So medyo nag-expand na siya. Nag-absorb na siya ng water. Like that. Siya. Turn this off. Ito. And let's get our natin yung ating dark chocolate. So twist. The twist is I add the banana. Ilalagay ko yung banana sa oatmeal ko. So there we added kalahating banana lang po yan. Kasi malaki yung mga bananas. So, flat. We mix it. Mix. So that's what oatmeal that is. It's oatmeal with banana for breakfast. So oatmeal with dark chocolate and banana. Happy to eat! Kain na tayo! Breakfast! Bye!